My name is Favor Sunanu, Africa's premier cryptocurrency consultant and top leader Platincoin Africa. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing compensation plan that Platincoin is using to empower its members. I'm going to show you in this video how to take full advantage of 3 amazing bonuses that Platincoin offers its partners to triple your investment money as soon as you get started with Platincoin. Number 1 bonus is direct bonus. Direct bonus. The number 2 bonus is turbo bonus. And number 3 is fast start bonus. What is direct bonus? Direct bonus is the bonus Platincoin pays its partners whenever they sell a minting robot. Whenever they sign up somebody who purchase a minting robot, direct bonus is what the company pays the partner who sign up somebody who purchase a minting robot or a minting software. What are we selling as a company? The company don't sell coins. Platincoin sell software. Platincoin is a technological company like Microsoft and the others, and they sell software. Now, the only difference is that Platincoin don't use traditional marketing. Platincoin utilizes network marketing for the sales of its software. Now, this particular software we are marketing helps the owner of the software, the acquirer, the person that purchased the software, to be able to mint the digital currency called Platincoin. Platincoin can be used to make payments for goods and services. So when you make a sale, when you sign up somebody, you invite somebody who purchased a minting software, you get 20% commissions, irrespective of the package that the person purchased. There are lots of packages from 100 euro to 10,000 euros. There are lots of packages, 7 different types of packages. So each time you recruit somebody that purchased a minting software, you get paid 20% commission. That is huge. Think about it. Even in real estate, you don't get up to 20% commissions when you sell a property. You don't get up to that. So if somebody purchased 1 platinum minter, for example, you make 20% of the platinum minter. Platinum minter is 9,300 euros. So you make 20% of that, which is 1,860 euros. Now, platinum minter is 9,300 euros. That is without VAT. And we recruit somebody that purchased the platinum minter. Direct commission that you get is 1,860 euros. Okay, now that is called direct bonus. Now, when you get started with Platincoin, you have 3 amazing bonuses that you can take full advantage of, which is the fast start bonus, the turbo bonuses, and the direct bonuses. Now, there is a number that you must not forget. Is the number 6. Number 6. If you are interested in tripling your investment money, then you must not forget the number 6. Let's assume you started Platincoin with Platinum Minter, which is 9,300 euros, and you decided to take full advantage of these bonuses in your first 30 days of joining Platincoin. Then you have the opportunity to triple your 9,300 euros in 1 month, and that does not affect your minting. Your minting is going on and you're making money with your minting, your passive income, but that investment money, you can triple it by taking advantage of these 3 bonuses. Number 1 is direct bonus. Now, when you sign up 6 people, when you get started with Platincoin and you buy a package, for example, Platinum Minter, if you want to triple your money, get 6 people signed up within your first 30 days of joining Platincoin. Now let's explain the direct bonus. If you get 6 people that purchase a Platinum Minter, for example, it could be any package, but I'm taking, for example, you started with what? Platinum Minter, and you want to get 6 people that purchase the same package with you like you did. For each person, you will get 20% commission, and that is 1,860 euros multiplied by 6. That will give you 11,660 euros. 11,660 euros. For achieving that, you will get 11,660 euros. Okay, now 1860, that is 1860 multiplied by 6, you get 11,160 euros. That's for direct bonus alone. 20% for each of the 6 persons that purchase the same package that you did, Platinum Minter, which is 9,300 euros, you get 11,160 euros. Turbo bonus pays you for achieving 6 persons, for recruiting 6 persons in a calendar month, from the first of the month to the last day of the month. If you are able to get 6 persons any month of the year, you, as long as they purchase the same package, like in this case a Platinum Minter, you are going to get 11,500 euros. Now for direct bonus, you already gotten 11,160 euros. Now because you did that 6 persons in 30 days, in one calendar month, you get an additional 11,500 euros. Now make sure that the first 4 persons that you sign among that 6 persons happen in your first 14 days of joining Platincoin. Then you will enjoy the bonus, fast start bonus. Fast start bonus is paid within your first 14 days. As soon as you can get 4 persons to join Platincoin, the company refund the money of one of the person that joined Platincoin. That is why when you join Platincoin, ensure the first 6 persons you are bringing into Platincoin must purchase the same package you purchase or something higher. You must purchase the same package that you purchase or something what higher. So in this case, if you have 6 persons that purchase Platinum Minter, you have enjoyed 20% commission of 11,160 euros plus 11,500 euros, which is turbo bonus because you got the 6 persons within a calendar month. Then you enjoy fast start bonus as long as the first 4 persons among that 6 happen in the first 14 days of joining Platincoin. That means you'll be given 10,000 euros as congratulatory commission. So 22,660 euros plus 10,000 euros fast start bonus will give you 32,660 euros in 1 month, in 30 days. If you bring that to Naira term, you are looking around 19 million Naira. 19 million Naira. The Platinum Minter is 5.9 something million, and you have made 19 million for recruiting 6 persons that purchase a Platinum Minter just like you have done. It's an amazing bonus that the company offers. Make sure you take full advantage of this commission, particularly when you are just getting started with Platincoin. As long as you are finishing your first 14 days, make sure you get your 4 persons. Your first 14 days, get 4 persons signed up. The company will refund to you the value of the lowest package that the 4 persons purchased. Anyone that, for example, you have somebody who purchased a Plus Minter, which is 1,000 euros. Somebody purchased a Medium Minter, which is 500 euros. Somebody purchased a Premium Minter, which is 5,000 euros. Another person purchased a Platinum Minter, which is 10,000 euros. You will be paid, you will be refunded the value of the lowest package, which is the Medium, 500 euros. So that's why when you get involved in Platincoin, if you want to triple your investment money, what you need to do is to get 6 persons and make sure they purchase the same package that you purchase or something what higher. I hope this video is able to put you on your feet and get you rolling with Platincoin. Platincoin is an amazing cryptocurrency, and we have one of the best compensation plan in the industry. All right, make sure you share this video with every of your partner, with everybody that you signed up, particularly in your first downline. As soon as you sign up anybody into your business, this is the ready video to share with them so that they can take full advantage of the compensation plan. All right, don't forget, Platincoin is set out to create an economy where we can spend our Platincoin on a day-to-day basis. All right, once again, my name is Favor Sunano, Africa's premier cryptocurrency consultant and top leader Platincoin.